Hi, I'm Nahid, a Stanford-registered nutritionist, positive psychology coach, and author of several books, as well as Manifesting Joy and Beyond the Now. I welcome you to this introduction of my channel, a journey that we are going to take together to add more joy in our life with the help of positive psychology and practical steps. In some stage of our lives, we feel confused and stressed. But the good news is that confusion and stress sometimes is a sign of growth. On the brink of changes, we feel this stress and confusion because something internally is nudging us to break free from habitual life and to add more meaning and purpose to our lives. Sometimes we know what we want and we manifest it, but manifest it passively and fall back to the same routine. Manifestation is an output. What we have to understand and achieve are those input and the steps that we have to take to pave the road toward our happiness. Those steps are crucial to understand our habits and a daily life and how to apply and integrate new habits and plans to our lives in order to achieve the life that we desire. We cannot decide and manifest to lose weight without changing the way that we eat. We can't achieve our goals without changing those habits and understand what have to be changed in our daily lives. As Albert Einstein says, we can't solve a problem with the same thinking that we created it. That means that we have to connect our conscious mind to the result that we are desiring and understand what are the steps that we have to take and the changes that we need to apply to our daily life. I'm happy to have you in this journey with me. I hope to see you next week. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, you can send me in a box below or send me an email and I'll come back to you as soon as possible. I hope to see you next week, and until then, I wish you a joyful day.